Choosing the right platform, Kajabi versus Learnworlds. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of online course platforms, comparing two popular choices, Kajabi and Learnworlds. Whether you're a course creator, entrepreneur, or just exploring options, this video will help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. In this video, we'll be tackling about the overview, key features, and user interface, customer support, product scope, community feature, special features, customization, marketing tools, pricing, and the conclusion. Now, before we delve into the details, let's have an overview of both platforms first. Kajabi stand out as an all-in-one platform catering to the entire life cycle of online course creation and marketing. At the core of Kajabi, it is user-friendly course creation tool, allowing creators to design and structure their content seamlessly. The platform supports various multimedia options, quizzes, and assessments, providing a diverse range of tools to enhance the learning experience. Kajabi's strength lies in its robust marketing capabilities. The platform incorporates email marketing, sales funnels, and affiliate program, empowering users to not only create content but also effectively market and sell it. This all encompassing approach makes Kajabi an attractive choice for those who want an integrated system to manage their entire online business. On the other hand, LearnWorlds is a robust and versatile online learning platform designed to empower course creators, educators, and business to deliver engaging and effective online courses. The platform caters to a wide range of users, from individual entrepreneurs to larger institutions, with a goal to make the process of creating and selling online courses seamless. Moreover, LearnWorlds prioritizes learner engagement through features like a social wall, fostering community discussions, and interactive video elements. The platform supports drip content release, quizzes, and assessments, enabling instructors to structure courses in a way that optimizes the learning journey for their students. Now let's compare the key features and user interface. First feature we'll be tackling is their user experience. Kajabi has a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. The dashboard provides a centralized hub for managing courses, sales, and marketing. Kajabi features a straightforward structure comprised of modules and sub-modules. While it doesn't allow the direct attachment of assessments to individual lessons, it does provide the option to organize assessments within the same module. Within lessons, course creators have the capability to include various content types such as text, video, audio, and downloadable files. Kajabi boasts an additional feature, automations embedded within each lesson. This functionality enables course creators to guide students through email sequences and segment them based on their engagement levels, providing a powerful tool for personalized and targeted interactions. On the other hand, LearnWorlds 2 offers an intuitive interface. It focuses on creating an engaging learning experience for students with features like a social wall, interactive videos, and community discussions. LearnWorlds allows creators to add various learning activities to the same lesson. These activities encompasses multimedia files, assessments, and a variety of other elements. Kajabi features a fundamental course player that aligns colors with your course theme. However, its customization options are limited, as it doesn't allow for alterations to match your branding and any other aspects of its appearance. On the other hand, LearnWorlds provides greater flexibility by allowing you to regulate the appearance of the course player. Additionally, it offers the option to display supplementary information, such as the number of enrolled students, providing a more customizable and informative learning experience. Customer support and community play a crucial role in any online platform. Let's see how Kajabi and LearnWorlds measure up. Kajabi provides 24/7 customer support, a knowledge base, and an active community. Users praise its responsive support team and the wealth of resources available. LearnWorld also offers customer support, a knowledge base, and a community forum. It's known for its helpful support team and a vibrant community that fosters collaboration among course creators. Let's move on to product scope of both platforms. Kajabi boasts a wider array of product types, encompassing various offerings beyond educational materials. In contrast, LearnWorlds primarily centers its focus on providing a platform tailored for educational content. While both tools, Kajabi and LearnWorlds, offers features such as coaching sessions, communities, and membership sites, Kajabi takes a distinct approach by monetizing each of these elements separately. This means that users on Kajabi platform may incur individual costs for utilizing coaching sessions, communities, and membership sites as distinct monetizable components. Kajabi provides users with the capability to sell communities and coaching program as distinct products. For scheduling sessions, users have the flexibility to integrate external tools like Calendly or utilize Kajabi's built-in scheduling feature, offering diverse options for managing and monetizing coaching sessions effectively. In contrast, LearnWorlds integrates one-on-one sessions seamlessly as a learning activity within course outlines. It's important to note that LearnWorlds is not specifically designed to sell coaching programs as a standalone product. Instead, it incorporates one-on-one sessions as an integral part of the overall learning experience within its course structure. Likewise, in LearnWorlds, the ability to sell access to communities is tied to setup of subscriptions for a membership site. This implies that only individuals subscribed to the membership will have the privilege of accessing the community within LearnWorld's platform. Both Kajabi and LearnWorlds come equipped with built-in community features. However, LearnWorlds stand out by offering a more extensive range of interactive post types within its community feature. This means that users on the LearnWorlds platform can engage in a more diverse and interactive communication experience through various post formats. In Kajabi, community organization is facilitated through the creation of circles, and users have the ability to establish challenges and host live videos within the community feature. However, it is important to note that the platform has certain limitations when it comes to community interaction. The available post and attachment types are relatively restricted, which may discourage more diverse and interactive engagement within the community setting. In contrast, LearnWorld takes a different approach to community organization. Community posts are automatically categorized under sections like friends, polls, mentions, providing users with a streamlined and easily navigate experience. Additionally, LearnWorlds allows further organization of the community into distinct groups. Unlike Kajabi, LearnWorld supports a more diverse range of post content, including photos, URLs, polls, enhancing the interactive and engaging nature of community interactions. Both platforms offer special features. Kajabi distinguishes itself by offering a built-in podcast feature, providing users with a seamless platform to create and share audio content. Kajabi streamlines podcast monetization within the platform, fortifying your online presence and potentially increasing sales for other products. On the other hand, LearnWorlds excels in a different dimension with its focus on interactive ebooks. This feature enhances the learning experience by allowing creators to incorporate interactive elements within ebooks, making the educational content more engaging and dynamic. Each platform, therefore, brings a unique strength to the table, catering to different content formats and preferences. Now, in terms of customization, Kajabi provides customizable templates, allowing you to design your site according to your brand. LearnWorlds takes it step further, offering extensive customization options, enabling you to create a truly unique and branded learning environment. Kajabi simplifies the process of crafting a professional looking website, providing comprehensive guidance. In contrast, LearnWorlds offers premium tools but with comparatively less built in guidance during the website creation process. Kajabi's drag and drop page builder features preset website templates and appealing blocks such as countdowns and background videos. This design tool ensures that any combination, irrespective of font or color choices, results in a polished and sleek looking website. In LearnWorlds, without a keen eye for design, your website may lack a professional look, while the site builder offers extensive customization tools and advanced effects like parallax scroll. Seeking a designer's input is advisable to enhance the overall appearance. For the marketing tools of these two, Kajabi shines in marketing with features like email marketing, sales funnels, and an affiliate program. LearnWorlds also includes marketing tools with an emphasis on social learning and community building. Both platforms support integration with popular marketing tools. Let's talk about their pricing plans. Kajabi provides a broader range of digital products and marketing tools, but at a higher cost. In contrast, LearnWorlds offers a more budget friendly option for unlimited use. Neither Kajabi nor LearnWorlds offer a free plan. Kajabi provides a 14-day trial, while LearnWorlds offers a more extended 30-day trial with no requirement for a credit card. Kajabi grants additional features and users' capacities with each upgraded plan. On the other hand, LearnWorlds provides premium support and features for its top tier plans. In conclusion, Kajabi and LearnWorlds cater to diverse needs. Kajabi excels as an all-in-one solution with robust marketing tools, while LearnWorld stands out for creating an interactive and engaging learning environment. Your choice depends on your specific priorities. Before making a decision, consider your specific needs, budget, and the type of learning experience you want to deliver. Both platforms offer free trials, so I recommend giving them a test run to see which one aligns better with your goals. And that's a wrap for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.